Sorry. What colors do you want?
Red and green.
What colors do you want, Ever?
Red and I think
Okay, you can start with that, but what color are you gonna make yours?
blue, but I want it this
You can still get it. Okay, so put your colors in there.
Okay.
This is Isaiah making Ninja Turtle slime his own way.
You gonna put this on YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah. Real YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have to put the whole thing.
No. Isaiah is putting a lot. Okay, now which one you're gonna put?
Yeah. That's it?
As much as you want.
These are
If you-
kids making slime.
If you put a bunch of colors, it's just gonna come out brown.
It is.
Yeah. So be careful.
And then 2 drops of green.
100 drops of red.
Can I take red?
Yep.
Oh, shoot.
It's alright.
2 drops of yellow. And you're putting. Are you gonna put even more red? No. Okay, so I'm gonna use the whole thing of red. So that one wants to be really red.
Well, I gotta be the whole thing though. Save something next time. It's only supposed to be a couple drops. Y'all putting way too much.
Maybe we're gonna see. If he has too much liquid, maybe it alters his slime and he won't get slime. He'll just end up with a liquidy mess.
That's enough.
It's trial and error, right? Okay.
Crazy.
Yeah, you guys are nuts. That's what kids do.
Now put the borax.
Okay, now you pour the borax into your thing. Pour
Y'all
it in
lucky
there.
y'all got mellow, cause when I see this, a big
Okay.
mess.
All right, now stir. Okay. Now stir.
That's a lot of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
It's about to get messy.
You don't have to.
It's already building. See it?
It's already.
Okay, don't stir it too fast so it doesn't.
Ew.
What about her? Don't stir it.
Look at Isaiah's.
Ew.
Look, hers too.
Oh.
Ew. Ew.
That's the slime. Okay. Oh, here, come in the sink.
Okay, be careful. You don't wanna make mess.
See yours.
Looks nasty.
We put too much water, I think.
No, now take out your. Let me see. Now pick up your slime.
With our hands?
Mm-hmm. Pick up your sleeves. Pick up your sleeves. Yeah. Okay. Put it in here.
I need
When
help.
you finish.
Thank
Look at
you.
that. Look at that. That's science, baby. That's the maze face.
Ew.
Science, baby. Let me see your face. You made that all along. See? See?
It looks nasty.
Who said fun can't be learn something too? There you go. There's your slime. Put it in here. There's your slime. Put it in there. Now we gotta wash our hands. Are kids happy with their slime?
Yes. It's hot. We
Yeah.
didn't put the glitter.
Oh, no, you can do it now. Look, were you happy with your experiment? Next week, another experiment.
Yes. Yeah.
Next week, another experiment
Yeah.
for the YouTube channel.
Yes.
For the YouTube channel. All right, we out of here. We gonna start playing with the slime.
Yes.
All right.
What
Bye,
about the
guys.
glitter? Bye.
Bye.
YouTubers.
Okay.